$5.50 for 10 miles. No, sir, we do not take that trash. Go ahead and tell them distance too far. Tell them whatever I gotta tell them. $3.50 for 5 miles. No. $6.50 going 2.9 miles at Firehouse Subs. They got 5 items. If you trader, look, it's a lot of craziness going on in the world today, but I got to make my money, so I don't give a damn. It's time for a ride. Got that order dropped off. $6.50 what was shown. Let's see if $6.50 changes. $6.50 stays the same. That's cool. Let's see what we do. Next order is gonna be teriyaki madness, $6 for 1 mile, and I'm already here. Let's get it. Dropped off. $6 what was shown. $6 what we're gonna get. Nothing goes up on that one. $7.75 for 9.8 miles. No sirski, not today. Not today. And I'm gonna put order too small because I need something with some back tips on it. Panera and Panteras. First part of that stack dropped off. $6 what was shown. Let's see if it changes. $6 what was shown, 6 what we got. Order number 2 dropped off. Second part of that stacked order, $6 what was shown on this one. And let's see if this one changes. Awesome, this one went up to $7.25. So we got, instead of $12, we got a total of $13.50. Let's get it. We're coming in, we got $5.69 for 6 miles, 6 items. Somebody don't know how to tip, look at that. That's not an order for me, not today. That is all base pay. $6.25 at Bed Bath & Beyond, 2 items, it's all base pay. Next order of the day gonna be this Walgreens. We got $7.50, 2 items, 3.7 miles, let's get it done. A new screen on the shopping delivery. When you en route to the delivery, it's showing you the items. Right, you got that Walgreens order, shop, and delivered. It was 2 items, just some diapers and some products for some personal hygiene products. So $7.50 what was shown, and those usually stay the same. $7.50 is what we got. On to the next one. I did pick up a sweet Grubhub order. I'm gonna show it on screen right here. It's $30 for 14 miles, and it's all highway. So we're gonna go ahead and get that one done. It's Outback Steakhouse order. $9.50 what it was showing on the payout. We got a $78 order right here.
All right. There you go, sir.
Thank you. Order dropped off. I handed it to the customer. Let's see how we made out on that one. Everything was all good. Woo! Look at that. $9.50 turned into $15.50. We got a $13 tip on that one. Let's go. Next order we're gonna be checking in. We got $10.25, total will be higher, 6 items, 7 miles. Might be looking at 14 or 15 bucks on this one. We got that one dropped off, $10.25 what was shown, high priority order. Let's see what we get. I know this one gonna go up. Look at that, 15 bucks, $13 tip. Let's get it. Got that order dropped off, $7 for 3.3 miles, high priority order. Let's see if that goes up. It was quite a few items from Applebee's, so let's see if we get anything hidden on that. Woo! $7 turning to $12.50. Look at that, a $10 tip.
About 40 questions.
Well, just got this order, $5.50 for 2 miles right here at Chili's. Not the best one, but I've been sitting for a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it.